Ever wondered why your weight loss journey is like a roller coaster ride full of ups and downs? Often, it's our snacking habits that send the scales spinning. It's easy to underestimate the power of a snack. Well, it's time to rethink your snack choices. Snacking smart is the key to maintaining a steady weight loss journey. By opting for low-calorie snacks, you can ward off hunger pangs and prevent overeating at mealtimes. It's all about making clever choices. And guess what? We have 5 low-calorie snacks just for you. First up, we have almonds. Almonds are nutritional powerhouses, packed with protein and healthy fats, yet surprisingly low in calories. Their secret weapon? They keep you feeling full for longer, so munch on some almonds instead of reaching for that bag of chips. Next, let's talk about Greek yogurt. A powerhouse of protein and calcium, this tangy treat is surprisingly low in calories. Craving something sweet? Greek yogurt has got you covered without sabotaging your weight loss goals. Swap your regular dessert with a bowl of Greek yogurt and see the difference. Craving something savory? Try hummus. This delightful dip crafted from chickpeas is packed with protein and fiber, but keeps it light on the calories. Pair it with your favorite veggies for a snack that truly satisfies. Hummus and veggies, a perfect snack combo. For those movie nights, opt for popcorn. This whole grain snack is not only a delight to munch, but also low in calories. Its crunchy nature can satisfy your snack cravings without making you count calories. Popcorn, a movie night snack that won't weigh you down. Lastly, satisfy your sweet cravings with berries. Bursting with antioxidants and fiber, these little gems are surprisingly low in calories. Offering a refreshing sweet snack, they support your weight loss journey in the tastiest way possible. Berries, a sweet treat that's good for your waistline. So, there you have it. 5 low-calorie snacks for your weight loss journey. Almonds, Greek yogurt, hummus, popcorn, berries, each uniquely beneficial in nourishing your body while keeping those extra pounds at bay. Remember, snack smart and keep moving forward on your weight loss journey. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.